Hi everyone.
Hi everybody.
In today's video we are going to be swatching and discussing the formulas of the OPI Nature Strong on these nails. So
Episode 3.
Episode 3, we're going to be swatching on these natural nails to see how the polishes apply on imperfect nails. We are going to start with this one, which is a Raindrop Expectations. Actually, I'm going to go over each one of them. This is almost like a, looks like a white, but it's like a very cool white, almost blue. It's Ashually. OPI. It's a warmer gray. We'll see how it goes on, no? It looks a little cool on camera, but it's kind of, anyway, we'll see. Dawn of a New Gray. This one I've used before. It's fantastic. Force of Nailture. Amazing bluish dark gray. One of the best formulas. The black one I've used too is good. Onyx Skies. This color a lot of people are excited about. Cactus, What You Preach.
Cactus, What You Preach. Wow.
Sure Is Something. I'm curious about this one. This one seems very good. Oh Hail, Queen Mother Earth. Curious how this is gonna go. I'll Make My Daisy.
It's going to go one of two ways. It's either going to be super streaky or it's going to be really, really good.
Intentions are Rose Gold. Let's go from the dark to the light. Onyx Skies. Onyx Skies has a bit of a wonky brush. It's a big brush. So I'm going to wipe off as much product as I can. So this product goes on without the base coat. So you see it's a bushy brush. It goes on without a base coat. Did I say that? So
yes.
It's not a one coater, but it's really, really nice. Force of Nailture. Very, very, very good formula. Okay, so this one was 4.5 out of 5, the black one. This is 5 out of 5, because look at this smoothness.
It's very smooth.
Very smooth, very creamy, very rich.
Look at that.
It's a great color.
Yep.
My perfect polish would be applied in 2 coats, 2 thinner coats, because that allows the polish to dry very well and quickly. Dawn of a New Gray. So you see with the first coat how my brush spreads, the bristles spread, because I'm applying pressure. Okay. We'll see how this applies in 2 coats. So far not so great, but all right. It's Ashually OPI. Okay, this is like a greenish actually gray. Ooh, okay, this is much better, you see? Okay, maybe I spoke too soon. Okay, it's decent. It's not mind-blowing yet. Raindrop Expectations.
Yeah, it has a bit of a blue tinge to it, eh?
Yeah.
And it's...
Yeah, that's what it is. Well, we'll see. Okay, let's reach for the best one apparently. Cactus, What You Preach. Many people are interested in this color. Okay. It doesn't have a very thick, creamy formula. We'll see. Maybe the second coat.
Yeah.
Will maybe it will redeem itself. Sure Is Something. Okay. This is nice.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is good. Oh, heal Queen Mother Earth.
All what?
Heal. Like healing.
Oh, I see. Not hail, but heal. H-E-A-L.
This looks quite pigmented, quite nice. Nice brush as well on this one. Okay. Seems to be very good. Is it perfect? No? Is it good?
It's okay.
Yeah. Make my daisy. And you took a knife to this nail. And the finger.
No. Glass.
Glass, I mean. Oh yeah, that's right. It's a little streaky.
Yep.
Intentions are rose gold. I have a feeling this is going to be good. These colors are usually very easy to apply. Oh yes. Very, very good. It's nice and dry. Okay, 4.5 out of 5. I'm happy when the polish covers well in 2 thinner coats, so I would say 4.5 out of 5. Second coat, so I can apply this coat also quite thin, so you can see that the brush spreads a little bit. It's beautiful. So creamy and full. Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna apply the second coat. Not too thick to see if I can get coverage. Yeah, and I think I can. Yeah. It was not super thin, but it was not very floated on either. It covered. Yep. So I would say 4 out of 5. Good. Okay, very nice. Very nice. 2 coats.
Mm-hmm. Very nice.
And this was not applied too thick to cover, so it was a medium second coat. Great. I would say 4 out of 5. Okay, we'll see if the second coat covers this. I'm not going to apply a thick coat. I'm going to try to cover this in a medium coat. Okay, no, it didn't cover, but almost. I'm gonna see how the maybe third coat covers. Cactus, what you preach. So guys, if you are interested in these polishes, they are available at Beyond Polish. So if you are in Canada or US, if you buy through Beyond Polish with our affiliate link, we do get a small commission, which helps this channel very much. Okay, this is great. So we would really appreciate your support. Okay, wow, this is good. Very good. The second coats are really helping.
Mm-hmm.
This is great. It's 4.5 out of 5, definitely. Almost 5 out of 5. I have to work with this polish a little bit more to kind of tell you for sure, but it's good. Four and a half out of 5. This is great. Very good coverage in 2 coats. 2 thinner coats. Okay, the second coat almost covered, considering that we didn't do a base coat. Considering that this nail is a little ridgy, it's not bad. Not bad, I'm impressed. I would say 4 out of 5. It's good. This is great. I would say 5 out of 5, surprisingly. But it's easy to apply, very easy to control. Brush strokes are not visible. It's a very good one.
Very nice.
Covers perfectly in 2 thin coats. Great. Okay, so we're gonna attempt to cover this nail in 3 coats. So we'll see if I can manage that. I'll be honest with you, the color has to be absolutely amazing for me to do 3 coats, except for Dazzle Dry, because Dazzle Dry dries so quickly and so thin that it doesn't matter. 3 coats are not a problem. Okay, so this is very good in 3 coats. And it's actually a very pretty color.
It's very nice.
Okay, guys, so we're going to clean up these nails and we're going to show you how the top coat applies. Why not? So if you want to see how the top coat goes and hear my experiences with it, just please stick around. Top coat time. So the best thing to do is to let the previous 2 coats dry and maybe give them 5 minutes. It actually dries when you can apply it thin. It dries really well. This is pretty dry. I found that the polish dried in 8 minutes and I started counting from the time I finished the last nail. I apply medium pressure to my brush. And the application is very good. I haven't noticed any bubbling. I haven't noticed any shrinking. It's great. So don't pick up too much with your brush. Put some pressure on the brush. Try not to overbrush it. It takes a little bit of time to get used to the brush for me because I'm used to the round brush. But this is working really well. I like to dry the 4 nails flat. Then I do these 4 when it comes to the top coats. And then I do the thumbs. So the yellow was a little uneven on the second coat, probably would need another coat. This was the blue from this picked up tiny bit. Yeah. other one. Okay, so this is the final look and final video. We now swatch the whole collection. I hope they come up with more colors, actually. I would love to see more nudes. And maybe some sheer colors, like true sheer colors.
So let us know in the comment section down below what your
what you think about
are.
this line, and what else would you like to see if you have experience with this line.
Like, subscribe, you know, bell notification button so you always know when we drop new videos. And go check out some of the links down in the description box below, some of our favorite stuff. And
like I said, polish is available beyond polish in the description box. We do have the links, the affiliate links, and
to all the colors.
To all the colors. So if you are interested in buying, then definitely it would really help the channel. We would really appreciate it if you could use our links. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye.
Ciao.